With the upgrade and modernization portfolio, we offer a bundle of solutions helping our customers to adapt to new requirements. First of all, the main topic is decarbonization. Here we offer emission reduction solutions such as exhaust gas after-treatment refit solutions. Another driver is also cost effectiveness and maintaining the value of the asset after TBO. Here we offer innovative maintenance contracts, matrix maintenance contracts, or lifetime extensions of the equipment. Third driver is reusing components and supporting the target of sustainability. This also comprehends overhaul solutions or reman concepts. And the fourth business driver is supporting the customers to get future ready regarding new business requirements. For example, H2 readiness is an important topic. And here we offer refit solutions for enabling our customers to operate their systems with an H2 blend.